Okay, welcome back. New topic for us this week is going to be fractional indices. Okay, fractional indices, working on what we did last week on indices. Okay, index notation. So what you could get in your GCSE right at the start of the paper, not usually the most challenging of questions, okay, but ones that we could easily lose marks on. Okay, so what you've got here, you've got 9 to the power of a half. Now, if you get a 2 on the bottom of the fraction, what you're actually going to be doing is you are going to be square rooting square root. So if there's a 2 on the bottom of the fraction, okay, on the denominator, okay, you are square rooting. And you should be able to know that the square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so as we said, 2 on the bottom, okay, square root. Key point to know. Okay, if we look at the next one, okay, 27 to the power of a third, if this was square root, okay, the other one when there's a 3 on the bottom, okay, is a cube root. So what you're looking for is a number that you multiply by itself 3 times, okay, to get 27. You can rewrite it if you want like that. So the cube root of 27, and the answer is 3, because 3 times by 3 times by 3 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3, 27. So if you have a power with a fraction and it's 3 on the bottom, you are cube rooting. Now they're quite nice questions, okay? These ones though are a little bit more challenging, because you've got to do more than one thing. So here, we've got a 2 on the bottom of the fraction, and we've got a 3 on the top. 3 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. Okay, so when you get this, okay, 3 over 2, you are square rooting, square root, and then you cube. Okay, you're doing 2 things now. Okay, you know that anything, we'll call it x, anything to the power of 3 is cube. Okay, you've got a cube there. Okay, that means we need to cube. So what are you going to do? You're going to find the square root of 16 first, which is 4, and then you're going to do 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. So when you have something that isn't one on top of the bottom, you need to do 2 things, okay? Square root and then cube. So that's that one. Okay, if we look at the last one then, we got 5 to the power of 2 over 3. Okay, actually that should be 125. Sorry, I do apologize. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we are going to cube root. Okay, we're going to cube root 125, and then we're going to square whatever our answer is from that. So cube root, we're looking for a number that you times by itself 3 times, okay, to get 125. So 5, so the cube root of 125 is 5, okay, because 5 times by 5 is 25, 25 times by 5 is 125. So we've got 5 squared now, which equals 25. So the answer to that would be 25. Okay, when we're looking at these questions here, okay, they're not too bad. If there's a 2 on the bottom and a 1 on the top, you're just square rooting. If there's a 3 on the bottom and a 1 on the top, you are cube rooting. Okay, when we get down to here, we're going to have to do more than one thing. Okay, and that's part of the question. This has been put up obviously to help you with today's work. Okay, but it also will form part of your revision as well. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you are struggling, okay, you might need to watch this video a couple of times, and I will also provide a worksheet for you to have a look at as well. So if you bring that to me, I can mark it and give you feedback, okay? Any issues though, let me know. Have a good day, guys.